I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable trading on the Fidelity Investments app, follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Open the Fidelity app. Launch the Fidelity Investments app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on the profile icon of the settings gear, usually located in the top right corner of the home screen. Step 3. Find trading permissions. In the settings menu, look for an option labeled Trading Permissions or Account Features. This is where you can manage your trading capabilities. Step 4. Enable trading. Once you find the Trading Permissions section, toggle the switch to enable trading. You may need to confirm your choice or agree to specific terms. Note, if you don't see the toggle, ensure your account type supports trading, as some accounts may have restrictions. Step 5. Review and save changes. After enabling trading, review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Save any changes before exiting the settings menu. Now you're all set to start trading on the Fidelity Investments app. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Happy trading!